Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the essentials. Confirm the SIM service is active and your plan isn't suspended. This saves wasted steps. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and you can at least see carrier name or no signal text. Now power down, remove the SIM tray, inspect the card and contacts, reseat it firmly, and reboot the phone. This often restores registration. If your device shows a SIM error, note the exact text. It helps decide the next diagnostic move. Once the SIM is seated, dive into network settings. Go to SIM and network and try manual network search. Selecting your carrier can force re-registration. If that fails, reset the APN to carrier defaults or add a fresh APN using settings from your carrier. Incorrect APN blocks data and sometimes registration. Make sure preferred network type matches your plan, for example 4G only versus auto. Also toggle mobile data and VO LTE. These control how calls and data attach, so changing them can fix intermittent or no network issues. You're nearly done. Check for system updates and vendor carrier service updates because firmware fixes modem bugs, install and reboot. If problems persist, test with a different SIM to isolate phone versus carrier. If other SIMs work, contact your carrier. Before a factory reset, backup data. Reset can clear stubborn software faults. If reset doesn't help, boot into safe mode to exclude a third-party app, and then contact Realme support or a repair shop. Hardware faults or locked modems require professional service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.